Hey, welcome to another show. Today we just got this cool new magnetic toy set by 4DBLOCKS. It's a 40-piece set, and we're going to unbox it and then play with it. All right, why don't you join us? Wow, we got, what do we have in here? Bubble wrap. And let's see what's inside this bubble wrap. Don't you just love bubble wrap?
Yeah, I like bubble wrap.
The cool thing with these blocks is they have a magnet right here, 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 and there. We have 12 triangles right here, 18 squares, 2. Does anybody know what these are? It looks the same shape as a stop sign. Hexagon. 2 hexagon-shaped magnets, and you can see that they have the magnet right here. And then we have, right under the pteranodon, we have 2 sets of wheels, and they have the magnets right here. Really durable wheels on there, very strong. So, are you guys ready for playtime? Let's go! Inside the box, they have numbers and a division sign, a times sign, multiplication sign, minus sign, addition sign. That is really neat. So I guess you would put those on these plastic pieces right here, and you could have fun in the classroom doing some addition, multiplication, all kinds of mathematics. So I'm going to have to try that out in my own classroom. 4DBLOCKS also gives you an instruction manual, and it gives you quite a few different things that you can build. So should we try to build one? Put the other hexagon. Whoop. All right, Angelina just made a shape. She just raised it up. Now set it right on here. That was cool. All right, can we borrow a wheel, Lucas? Okay. Okay. All right. Very cool. Can we put another wheel on there? Yeah. We got triangles. Whoa! As you can see, there are quite a few different shapes here to play with. We are having a fun time. Is this a great toy or what? Yeah. You guys like it? Yeah. I think it is super fun. You got that other hexagon that's over there on the table. Whoa! Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. As you can see, these 4DBLOCKS are super fun to play with. My kids are loving it. And the nice thing about the 40-piece set is you can pack it up in a small box like this, take it along on trips, and they are going to have hours of fun with this. So, hey, again, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you watch the videos down below and have a fun day. Bye-bye.